Yeah, Vibestees live, yeah. Then in Chicago, yeah, I cook some food. You see me, I say, I make some coleslaw, yeah, man. Cabbage, mayo, onion, carrot, sweet pepper, and some other stuff I can put in it to complete the whole conquest. You don't know the thing already. I know anyway, we go, we can cook our mother grow up good. You understand? So we had to eat some curry chicken. You see me I did, and well seasoned up already and well nice up. You understand? Additional right, that's our way to kick off the thing. Yeah, so put a pot there. Yeah. So I can start the show right now. You see me I say, I remember my people them. Buy a shirt no man, support the brand no man. Yeah man, go up on the link man. Look and so on the like, put it together and give me one remarks on it. If you don't like it, let me know. If you don't love it, sure, I love it even more. You understand? Vibestees for life. We're gonna set up a curry chicken, yeah man, and get back to the show. You hear that? Yes, I.